Okay, so we're here at the factory. We're moving the floor. You can see it being moved, or we're moving it over with the crane, which is above, right up there. This is the floor for the, it goes under the kitchen and the patio. Okay, so it's a pretty big floor. It weighs a lot. It's made of wood. It's made of balsa wood. And it's covered with a fiberglass material. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky how we're going to flip it over. We have to flip it down 90 degrees to where it is right now. Usually these things go fairly smoothly. Actually, all the big operations we've done have gone smoothly. We usually have a pretty good plan for how we're going to do it. I don't know what the plan was today because I've been in meetings all day, so I haven't been in the planning sessions for this. But yeah, we have to turn it and then flip it down 90 degrees. So we might need quite a bit of the workers here to make this happen. Aha, the plan is starting to come together. I think the critical piece here is going to be the telehandler coming in to help do some of the heavy lifting. So the problem right now is that this floor piece we're trying to put in won't fit over the lip here. There's a lip around the perimeter of the pod, so we have to lift the center up by about a couple feet so we can kind of slide it in underneath that lip. So it's a bit of a challenge. So we're cranking it up here. That's a slow crank, but it does the job. Okay, finally done. This was about a 2.5 hour process. I thought it would be maybe 20 minutes, but it wasn't as easy as we thought it would be. Development work always takes longer than you plan it to be, for it to take. So everyone's pretty happy. It's been a lot of sweat going out today. A lot of guys working very hard, probably about 15 or up to 20 of us sometimes working on it. So yeah, it's very good. You can see there's a little bit of a gap there, which is fine. We'll fill the gap, but we needed some space to be able to fit it in. So we needed a little bit of room, because if it was too tight, then we wouldn't have been able to actually slide this in. So the next one, instead of making a big half floor section, the next piece is going to go in here. So we're going to break this into 2 pieces. So with that, we'll be able to lift it easily with about 10 workers. That's only like 35 kilos each, so piece of cake. We can actually walk it up the stairs and lift it in. So I think that's going to be the plan for next time.